Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon package. This is the Timex Ironman watch. I'll say this, I was a little disappointed in the packaging from Amazon. It basically came in a wrapped up bag, but it is in a box. This is the model TW5M49400. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, its quality like, etc. So I wasn't even looking for this watch. It happened to be Black Friday and I jumped on this just because it came across my screen. What I liked about it was that it is an Ironman that has the heart rate monitoring feature, which I didn't even know they made. I went and looked on their website and did not see this. So I don't know if it's a new model or if it is an old model that's discontinued and they're just trying to get rid of it. It's $45 on Amazon, which I thought was a pretty good price. So let's go ahead. Let me see if I can pull it out. All right, so I finally got it open. One thing I will say that I do like about Timex is I tend to find their straps and their buckle more comfortable than Casio watches. Some of the Casio watches tend to have really large buckles for some reason. I like the size of the Timex ones better. Again, just more sporty watch. So hopefully you're going to be able to see this okay. So one of the things I liked about this watch is, again, I've never seen an Ironman that does heart rate tracking. I also like that it's got a replaceable battery back here. It takes a CR2032 battery, which is a standard battery that you can buy at any grocery store. And they've got a little slot here where it's supposedly pretty easy to change it out if you ever need to change the battery on the watch. That kind of worries me because it's got heart rate functionality. You might have to replace the battery more often than a regular Ironman watch. I did want to mention the instruction manual is tucked into this plastic piece here. I'm not going to try and read it. They're so small that I just go online and find the instruction manual for this particular model, and we'll be taking a look at it. Now, I don't know how to use the watch. I've just opened it. Once I figure out the functionality of the watch, I will be sure and attach some videos, show you how it works. Not a whole lot to show you. It didn't come with anything, just the box and the watch. But nonetheless, there's an unboxing. I hope it helps.